Ramzan Mubarak. Today we're sharing 3 absolutely delicious Ramadan Special Kebabs that are perfect for your evening spread. First, we're making juicy and smoky Mutton Seekh Kebabs. Start by mincing the mutton properly. The texture should be smooth so the kebabs hold their shape well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything really well so all the spices blend beautifully into the mince. Now add salt to taste. Then add 2 teaspoon of ghee. This will make the kebabs extra juicy and rich. Mix again. Next add 1 tablespoon besan for binding and 1 teaspoon amchur powder for that slightly tangy kick. Mix everything thoroughly. Now lightly dab your fingers with cold water. This prevents sticking. Take a wooden skewer and cover it evenly with the mince. Now shape it into a long seek, pressing gently so it sticks properly. Heat oil in a pan. Place the kebabs carefully and pan fry them till they are beautifully char grilled on all sides. Once golden and slightly crisp outside but juicy inside, they are ready. Next is something crispy and unique, Russian Chicken Kebabs. In a pan, add boneless chicken along with salt, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, garam masala and some water. Now cover and cook until the chicken is fully done. Once cooked, shred the chicken nicely. Now add finely chopped carrot, capsicum, cabbage, boiled potato, green chili, fresh coriander leaves, pepper powder, cumin powder and salt to taste. Mix everything really well. Now shape them into oval cutlets or any shape you prefer. In another bowl, whisk an egg with a little salt and pepper. Dip each kebab into the egg wash and coat it with crushed savoy for that crispy outer layer. Now deep fry or shallow fry till golden brown and crisp. And now for something quick, simple and flavorful, Chicken Kalimiri Kebab. In a cold pan, add chicken pieces, freshly crushed black pepper, garlic, salt and yogurt. Mix everything well directly in the pan. Now switch on the flame and cook for about 7 minutes until the chicken is tender and perfectly cooked. The yogurt keeps the chicken soft while black pepper gives it that bold Kalimiri flavor. And just like that, your Chicken Kalimiri Kebabs are ready to serve. These 3 kebabs are perfect for your Ramadan. If you've enjoyed this special recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more such festive recipes.